Hola chicos, hello guys, bienvenida a mi clase, welcome to my class. Yo soy Shivani, I'm Shivani, estoy aquí para enseñarte español. I'm here to teach you guys Spanish. Guys, welcome to our next video tutorial in which you guys learn some Spanish through a English conversation. It means in today's video tutorial you are going to learn some Spanish through a English conversation, and which topic is borrowing car in Spanish. It means you guys learn how to borrow someone car in Spanish. So I hope guys you are really curious to learn all of these things. So without wasting our time, let's start today's topic. So first of all guys, what we call borrowing car in Spanish? In Spanish, borrowing car in Spanish means prestado de carro en español. Prestado de carro en español, where en español means in Spanish, de carro means car, prestado means borrowing. So let's start our conversation. The conversation is between Anna and Rohit. Let's see what Anna said to Rohit. Anna says, "Can I borrow the car tomorrow? ¿Me prestas el carro mañana?" Where me prestas means can I borrow, el carro means the car, and mañana means tomorrow. So me prestas el carro mañana means can I borrow the car tomorrow? Rohit say, what are you doing tomorrow? ¿Qué vas a hacer mañana? ¿Qué means what in Spanish? Vas a hacer means what are you doing? Are you doing means vas a hacer. Mañana means tomorrow. So, ¿qué vas a hacer mañana? What are you doing tomorrow? Rohit says, why do you want to borrow the car? ¿Por qué quieres pedir prestado el carro? Where ¿por qué means why? ¿Quieres means do you want? Pedir prestado means to borrow. El carro means the car. So, Rohit says, ¿por qué quieres pedir prestado el carro? Why do you want to borrow the car? Anna says, I'm going to a concert with my friends. Voy a un concierto con mis amigas. Voy a un concierto means I'm going to the concert. With mi amigas means with my friend means con mis amigas. And Rohit say, what concert are you going to? ¿A qué concierto vas a ir? What means a qué in Spanish? Concert means concierto. Are you going to means va a ir. ¿A qué concierto vas a ir means what concert are you going to? Anna says, it's a rock concert. Es un concierto de rock. Es un concierto de rock. Anna says, Jack said, heck. Guys, remember one thing, J is pronounced as H in Spanish, so it is pronounced as heck. Jack said he had an extra ticket. Heck dijo que tenía un bolito extra. Heck dijo. It means Jack said que he had, tenía, had means tenía in Spanish, an extra, un extra. Ticket means bolito in Spanish. Jack said he had an extra ticket. Jack dijo que tenía un bolito extra. Ana said, would you like to come with us? ¿Te gustaría venir con nosotros? Where te gustaría means would you like in Spanish. Venir means to come in Spanish. Con nosotros means with us. So te gustaría venir con nosotras means would you like to come with us? And Rohit replied, I would, but I have other plans. I would, but I have other plans. Lo haría, pero tengo otros planes. Lo haría means I would, pero means what? I have means tengo, otros means others, plans means planes. Lo haría, pero tengo otros planes. I would, but I have other plans. Rohit said, thank you for asking. Gracias por preguntar. Where gracias means thank you. For asking means por preguntar in Spanish. Maybe means quizás, some other time, and otro ocasión. Gracias por preguntar, quizás, and otro ocasión. Thank you for asking, maybe some other time. Ana says, so can I borrow the car? Entonces me prestas el carro. So means entonces. Can I means me prestas. Can I borrow means me prestas. El carro means the car. So can I borrow the car? Entonces me prestas el carro. Rohit say last time means la última vez. La última vez means last time in Spanish. You borrowed. Que lo prestad. You borrowed it. Que lo prestate. Que lo prestato means you borrowed it. You had an accident. Tuviste un accidente. Tuviste un accidente. La última vez que lo prestaste, tuviste un accidente. Last time you borrowed it, you had an accident. Rohit says, I hope this time you will drive slowly. Espero que, I hope means, espero que in Spanish. This time means esta vez. You will drive. Conduzcas. Conduzcas means drive in Spanish. Despacio means slow in Spanish. So, I hope this time you will drive slowly. Espero que esta vez conduzcas despacio. Ana say, I promise, prometo. Prometo means I promise. I will drive. Que conducir. Que conduciré. Conduciré means drive in Spanish. I will drive. Que conduciré. Carefully means cuidada. Cuidada means carefully in Spanish. Esta vez, this time. Prometo que conduciré con cuidada esta vez. I promise I will drive carefully this time. Rohit says you should always drive carefully. You should always drive carefully. Siempre debes conducir con cuidado. Siempre means always. You should means debes. Drive means conducir. Carefully means con cuidado. So, siempre debes conducir con cuidado. You should always drive carefully. Rohit said you can borrow the cars. Puedes pedir prestado el carro. Where you can means puedes. Puedes means you can. Pedir prestado means borrow. El carro means the car. You can borrow the car. Puedes pedir prestado el carro. Ana says thank you. Gracias. Rohit says when will you be back? Cuando vas a estar de vuelta? Cuando means when in Spanish. Vas a estar means vas a estar means will you be back means de vuelta. Cuando vas a estar de vuelta, when you will be back. Ana said the concert is at 7 p.m. The concert is at 7 p.m. El concierto es a las 7 de la tarde. Where de la tarde means in the evening in Spanish. Guys, de la tarde means in the evening in Spanish. 7 means siete. 7 means siete in Spanish. At means a las in Spanish. The concert means el concierto. So, el concierto es a las 7 de la tarde means the concert is at 7 p.m. Or Ana says, I will be home at 10:30. Estaré en casa a las 10:30. 10:30 means 10:30 in Spanish. Or en casa means be home. A las means by. I will means estaré. So estaré en casa a las 10:30. I will be home by 10:30. Rohit say, okay, good. Okay, bueno. Okay, good means okay, bueno in Spanish. I will need the car. Necesitaré el carro. Necesitaré el carro means I will need the car tomorrow night. Mañana por la noche. Tomorrow night means mañana por la noche in Spanish. Where noche means night in Spanish and mañana means tomorrow. So, okay, bueno, necesitaré el carro mañana por la noche. Okay, good, I will need the car tomorrow night. Rohit say, I'm going to pick my cousin up from the concert. Voy a recoger. Where recoger means pick in Spanish. A mi primo means my cousin. Del aeropuerto. Del aeropuerto. From the airport. Voy means going. So I'm going to pick my cousin up from the airport. Voy a recoger a mi primo del aeropuerto. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you really liked today's conversation and you really learned something from today's conversation. So till then, adios and gracias por mirar. Bye and thank you for watching.